2-to-1 breathing, evening practice. Lie down on your back, cover yourself and stretch out your legs. Leave a little bit space between your legs and let your toes drop towards the sides. Rest your head on your pillow and close your eyes. Tuck your chin in a little bit and elongate your neck. Pull your shoulders down. Stretch out your arms alongside your body. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your nose. Relax your body. Bring your hands onto your belly. Make sure that your upper arms stay on the ground. Place your hands below your ribcage and above your navel area. Feel the warmth of your hands and the gentle movement of your belly and the rhythm of your breath. Become aware of all the space that your body is occupying. Feel your heels, your calves, your thighs, your lower back, middle of your back, your shoulders, and your upper arms. Feel the place where your head is resting. Allow your awareness to stay with your body. Withdraw your senses from the outside world. And bring your awareness to your breath. Breathe only through your nose. Make sure that there is no tension in your throat, no obstacles to breathe against. Make your breath smooth and soundless. You may feel some ripples or jerks in your breath. Try to release these jerks. Make your breath smoother and smoother. Watch out that there are no wrinkles on your forehead, no wrinkles on your mind, no wrinkles in your breath. Release all tension in your glottis. Relax your jaw and leave a little space between your teeth. Silent breathing, soft and slow. Free passage in your air tube. Keep your awareness with your breath. And observe If you can notice any pauses in your breath, is there a gap after inhalation? Are there small pauses after exhalation? Apply non-judgmental observation. Just look wherever you detect a pause in your breath. Consciously remove it and make your breath continuous, uninterrupted, slow and soundless breathing. Gently move your awareness to your hands on your belly. Observe the movements of your hands, a passive movement. Make sure that your hands move without any interruption. Let your hands rise up higher with inhalation. Your inhalation is deep and slow. No pauses. Breathe out slowly, slowly, with full awareness. Breathe out bit by bit so that your hands sink down again in a continuous manner. Let your hands move in the same speed. Deep and smooth abdominal breathing. Soundless, continuous, deep breathing. With your next exhalation, start to count seconds or heartbeats of your breath. Count your out breath. Count your in breath. And see that your inhalation and exhalation are equally long. 1-to-1 breathing. Do not change your breath, only count and observe. Effortless breathing, relaxed and smooth breathing, relaxed, smooth mind. With your next inhalation, breathe in twice as fast As you breathe out, keep the length of your exhalation and breathe in twice as fast. Start your 2-to-1 breathing rhythm, where you breathe out twice as long as you breathe in. Keep your out breath in the previous length. Keep your mind relaxed. Keep your breath relaxed. Breathe out twice as long as you breathe in. Take enough time to find your perfect rhythm. No expectations, no judgments. Only apply your personal 2-to-1 breathing rhythm. And with every out breath, relax deeper. With every out breath, refine the quality of your breath. Breathe out in the same speed. Breathe out smoothly. Let there be no sound to your breath. Remove all jerks from your breath. And allow your mind to calm down more and more. When you breathe in, make sure that your chest does not move. Only breathe in the lower compartment of your lungs. Feel the movement of your belly. Let your hands rise with inhalation and take twice as long to allow your hands to sink down again. Uninterrupted breathing, uninterrupted movement of your hands. Keep on refining the qualities of that movement. With every out breath, allow yourself to sink deeper and deeper into your sleep. Let your breath guide you into yourself and towards rejuvenation and healthy rest. Sleep well, sleep deep.